In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to submit your invoice. Whether you are a freelancer, small business owner, or part of a larger organization, knowing how to send an invoice can have a big impact on your cash flow and customer relationships. So in this quick guide, I'm going to show you exactly when to invoice, what to include, how to send it so it gets paid fast, and when to send a follow-up. I'll be keeping it clean and practical. If you want an easier way to get paid, you can add Airwallex payment links to your invoices and let the customers pay online in just a few clicks. Starting with when to send, the timing of your invoicing can also have a significant impact on your cash flow. For one-off work, invoice right after delivery once the scope is final. It keeps the project fresh and avoids disputes. But for ongoing work or services, you want to invoice on agreed milestones or a monthly cadence. Put the schedule in your contract so there are no surprises. Now second, you want to include your business name and details, the client's details, invoice number, issue date, due date, itemized work or products with quantities, rates, taxes, currency, total due, and payment instructions. You want to add your payment link or bank details and then your support contact so clients can resolve questions quickly. Here is how you can send it by email step by step. First of all, you want to prepare the invoice with a template or invoicing tool. Accuracy beats speed. Second, you want to save as PDF with a clear file name. And then you can compose the email with a direct subject, for example, invoice and then the number of it. Attach the PDF and insert your Airwallex payment link in the body so they can pay by card, wallet, or local method. Proofread the email and the numbers, and then send to the decision maker and the billing address that you have on file. Some other ways to send, we've got the postal mail that can feel formal, but it is slow and adds printing and postage costs. We also have other invoicing software that automates creation, sending, reminders, and reconciliation. Most systems email the invoice and track when it is opened and paid. When it comes to the follow-up timeline, you want to add a reminder before due date. So for example, a quick nudge 2 to 3 days prior will help busy teams. After that, you want to follow up within a week of the due date. Keep it polite and precise, reference the invoice number and due date, and include the payment link once again. Finally, you automate reminders if possible so nothing slips. Now, the more options that you offer, the faster you will get paid. Airwallex payment links help you get paid faster with secure links that are generated in seconds for sharing via email, SMS, social media, or placing directly into your invoices. Let customers pay you by card, bank transfer, digital wallets, and other local payment methods like buy now, pay later options in their preferred currency. For payments not in your home currency, you can have the like-for-like settlement in more than 14 major currencies, so you can avoid the unnecessary FX conversions while keeping the foreign currency balance in your Airwallex global account. This keeps your records clean and speeds up reconciliation with easy integration with your accounting software like QuickBooks, Xero, or NetSuite. So to wrap up, timing, clarity, and convenience decide how fast you get paid. You want to send invoices promptly, include everything that the customer needs, and follow up on a clear schedule. If you want the streamlined version, create your invoice and drop an Airwallex payment link. You will reduce the back and forth, keep a clean history, and improve your cash flow. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you have found it to be helpful or informative to watch, give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we're going to make relating to this one.